Hi, and welcome to settled's TOTEMM Web Mapping Experience tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the Site and Assets tab. Here you can discover site and asset locations, areas, by organization as it relates to ownership and industry theme. The first user story we'll be looking at is what site and assets does Equinor own in the North Sea? Start by searching and selecting Equinor from the organization slicer. Search and select North Sea from the subregion slicer. Search and select North Sea from the superregion slicer. Select the North Sea bookmark. And now review the individual records by clicking on a feature and seeing the record details tied to that location. Or come down to the attribute table below to see all the records in the table, where you can export in a file format of your choice. The next user story is, where are Shell's wind assets? Start by searching and select Shell from the organization slicer. Search and select Renewables Wind from the Info Type Theme slicer. Hold Control and select Asset Areas and Facility and Well from the Shape Class slicer. Select the Full View bookmark, and now review the map. Click on individual features to see record details tied to that location, or come down to the attribute table below to see all record details together. The next user story is, where are BHP's mining facilities? Start by clicking the Mining Industry Theme button. Search and select BHP from the organization slicer. Select Facility and Well from the Shape Class slicer. And select the Full View bookmark. Now review the map by clicking on individual features to get their record details, or come down to the attribute table below to see all records compiled in a table, where you can export in a file format of your choice. The next user story is, what organizations have utilities service areas in the United States? Start by selecting Utilities Prevalence from the Shape Class Prevalence Industry slicer. Search and select United States from the Country slicer. And select the US Lower 48 bookmark. Now review the top 20 organizations chart. To get rid of industry noise, hit the Tracked button. To now see organizations that are tracked, select individual features on the map to get record details, or come down to the attribute table to see all records and their details below, where you can export in the file format of your choice. The last user story is, where are substations in the United States? Start by selecting Facility and Well from the Shape Class slicer. Search and select United States from the Country slicer. Search and select Substation from the search bar. and select the US Lower 48 bookmark. Review the map, charts, and attribute table down below.